Fit check. May dala akong bag. Tapos yung laman nito mga gatas. Gatas ng anak ko. Kambal kasi yung anak ko eh. Isang babae saka isang lalaki. Kasi ito yung mga nila. Yung mga yaya nila. Ayun ang baby boy ko, karga niya. Yung baby girl ko. Yun ang mga yaya. Iba yung tatay nito eh. Ito si Gongyu. Tatay nito nung baby kong lalaki, si Gongyu. Yung babae, si Park Sojun.
Wow!
Hindi ka makapaniwala ah. Parang mas gusto ko na mag-picture. Mamaya, naipot muna tayo. Tapos malubat na ako mamaya, no?
You sleep na.
Taya. Huwag mo labanan. Nilalabanan niya antok niya.
Don't fight.
May ganyan ako ibinigay sa kapatid ko. Sige, puntahan natin. Sadyang hindi man yung asayo. Sige, pipicture na muna kami. Ang ganda dito, parang mga guest house. Pero di na kami magaganyan. Madami pala. Ang ganda naman dito. Yung anak ko ay anak pa charot. Uy, grabe ko naman agad sa kami agad sana all Sana all pogi.
Should've listened to my friends when they told me not to. They said you're nothing but a one-night stand, trip to Candyland. If you get too close, then you might understand. But now my heart's on my sleeve and I'm in too deep. But you're not thinking twice about me. I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying how I feel if you only knew.
Ano ba yan? Di ba ganda example?
I wrote down every old cliche, a four-letter word in 100 ways, and reality hit me in the face. 'Cause
Baka may gustong puntahan dito.
I feel so stupid.
Kaya mo lang siya. Baka mamaya makapag ka na niya. Ano to, te? Chicken?
Should've listened to my friends when they told me not to.
Batang
They
ina.
said you're nothing but a one-night stand, trip to Candyland. If you get too close, then you might understand. But now my heart's on my sleeve and I'm in too deep. But you're not thinking twice about me. What if it goes wrong? What if it goes right? What if these things I'm saying make you change your mind? I've never been one to cry. I can't stop the tears raining down from my eyes. No,
Dati ano lang yun eh. Mano, chow.
'cause I feel so stupid for falling for you. Should've listened to my friends when they told me not to. They said you're nothing but a one-night stand, trip to Candyland. If you get too close, then you might understand. But now my heart's on my sleeve and I'm in too deep. But you're not thinking twice Not parts of your mind.
Aray ko.
I wanna love
Okay,
you all
kainan na.
day.
Meron kami spaghetti. Literal, naka-plastic.
Take a trip
Sauce.
out of space.
Tapos
Get
yun.
lost in your
Tapos meron ditong
eyes.
batang
If
nagsasnap.
my world gets
Tapos yung nanay
dark,
niya, tagal mag-reply.
you're my moonlight. I wanna love you always. Not parts of your mind. I wanna love you all day. Taking
Ay!
your mind.
Wow! Sige, sabong.
Get lost in your eyes. If my world gets dark, you're my moonlight.
Ginawa ko kasi ano, te.
That
Ginawa
is
ko.
what they tell me just to get you off. Yeah, you are annoying, but I love it up. Is that what they mean by unconditional? Yeah. Driving past your house, it look like Cedar Break. Haven't seen you in a while, like a season change. Sitting on the couch and keep imagining how much it costs to be with you. That's why I'm investing. I'm the best thing since t-shirts. You can be with anyone, but they would probably be worse. Deep into your mind, let me plant my seed first. Trying to give you all of me. John Legend keys first. Pray until my knees hurt. Lift into the universe. I just wanna travel where you are, and I